These are a list of anime verses that Saitama obliterates with just a sneeze. Thank you, Zach, for the 20 on Cash App. He also wanted a shout out, so go follow him. So let's get the weak verses out of the way first. My Hero Academia gets sneezed. Demon Slayer obliterated. And Attack on Titan fodder. He also sneezes away Dragon Ball. Don't get this confused with Super or Z, this is just OG. Naruto also gets sneezed away, no difficulty. Like, this man is built different. And then, lastly, One Piece. You guys thought you were safe? Well, you're not.